What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Summertime Outdoors. As you can see, we got Graham's boat in tow, and we are headed back out on the mighty Chesapeake Bay in search of some big striped bass. And we're meeting up with my buddies Giovanni from Rockland Charters, and we're also meeting another buddy, Drew, from Griffin's Guide Service. But I'm going to shut up now because we got to get to the ramp, meet them, hopefully get out on the bay and slay some striper today. So let's go. Alright guys, we've been searching all morning. Finally found the birds over here, so we're just cruising into them now. Hopefully find a pile of some big fish, but it's been a while this morning. I mean, those are good marks, and they're all like halfway up the water column too. I mean, they're thick down there, man.
Yeah, it should be in the
There it is. Oh boy. Not that big. Oh, he's pretty big. Not a giant, but they're getting bigger. Slowly but surely. Come here, buddy. Starting to chew a little bit. Alright guys, well, we're getting into the birds again, and I'm going to drop an 8-inch NLBN down and just see if I can't stick a big fish. I'm using it on a 400 tranx and a 7.6 medium heavy St. Croix Avid Inshore right here, and we'll see if we can't stick a giant with this bigger bait and get away from those smaller fish.
Oh, right there. Look at him popping the bunker out of the water.
I just got right in that. There he is. That's a real one.
Yeah, I got a big one too.
I got a big one as well. I think so. Mine feels heavy.
That one just exploded in the bunker.
I'm on the 8-inch NLBN, so I'm assuming it's a big one. Paddle.
I don't think. Oh, mine's not that big.
Mine feels heavy.
Decent one.
I think he's good, yeah. I just saw him. I'm fishing him like lockdown. Oh yeah, giant. Yeah.
You got a net? No?
Alright guys, well that's my first big fish of the day right there. I'm gonna get this thing released quick. Alright guys, I just released that big 40+ inch striper there on the 8-inch paddle tail. We're gonna get back into these birds over here, see what we can make happen, but pretty good so far. Fish are just starting to really turn on, so it should be a good morning.
Yeah, we can. There's definitely some very nice marks.
Yeah, there's some very, very big marks in there. Like 40 foot mostly, 45, 50 foot too.
I see, right? Yep, they just missed her.
I don't know how you can miss them. It depends how big the school is. Oh, there he is.
Like I missed a couple.
This one might be fouled. Big thump, but not a big fight. No, he hit it. It's just a little guy. That big appetite.
Yeah. Also a fish.
Dude, that bait is like literally half the size of the fish, dude, and it ate it too.
Fully in its mouth?
But yeah, dude, he crushed it. Look at that. That's hilarious. Yeah, freaking tuna would eat something like that, dude. Oh, good ass marks, dude. They're thick. Good. Geo just hooked up. Alright guys, we got some really good marks right here. Geo's hooked up. And I just caught a big fish off camera, but hopefully we can get another one dropping back down. Thick marks now. That's a good fish there. No, I don't think so, dude. That's a heavy fish. I don't think that's a foul. We made a foul hooked a cow.
He's been on a pretty good run. Yeah.
I think it's a good fish. That's a good one, dude. That one run was just pretty crazy. But it is kind of saying, oh yeah, that's a monster, dude. That ain't foul hooked right there, son. That's a big fish too.
Open your mouth.
See that guy. A big fish Drew just slayed right there. That is a giant, man. Look how fat these fish are, guys. It's crazy. And he thought it was foul hooked, the little guy. But then it was that head shake. That first run, dude, all that is a big fish. Nice one, man. Epic. Give it a release.
I got it.
I don't think so, but my judgment is pretty off right now.
They just caught two giants.
You said they just got another one?
I think it's the ones they were fighting. Oh, there he is.
Not a bad one. It's about 30.
Not very big.
What?
That is fatter than it is long. Thick marks on bottom right now. Yeah.
Oh wow, they're loaded. Yeah, that's it. The cobia, isn't it?
They're going off to the right.
Yeah. See them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A few rollers. Yeah, see them all up in there. Yeah, right up in front of him. They're coming to the left too. Right up in front of us. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You better get smoked.
I gotta go back to the jig, man.
Yeah, I would.
Holy
Here, dude. Are you seeing a swirl back there?
that was a freaking giant that just blew up right there. Graham has a giant.
Graham's got his fish in.
Yeah.
Someone grab Graham.
I got it.
You got a big one too?
Yeah, definitely. If this
Watch
is-
out, Graham.
Oh yeah, dude, there's one just swirled right near my fish.
I'm trying to get to him. This is
Dude, right
crazy.
here, like right next to my fish, one's swirling.
Big blow-ups right near. Oh my god.
Get a pic here?
This is crazy, guys.
Oh, put it in the boat. I'll get a pic.
Oh my god. Giants. Oh, right here, guys. Oh, we just missed it. Drew, did you just see that one right next to us? Yeah, go on, Drew. Holy crap, boys. This is insane.
Oh, that was my fish. Is that your fish?
That's a giant. I gotta get up in front of you. Is that on top?
I casted it and held my rod tip high because I got a few out.
There it is. Oh, he just got off. We got 3 giants that just got caught. One's going back, one's coming in. Insane. That's a giant. That's a giant. That's a giant. Want me to grab him?
Here.
Hold this. No, no, no. Oh my god, no. I got him.
Did you?
Yeah, you gotta grab him though. 'Cause I barely got him on the tail.
That's pretty. Did you get that on video?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I got him. Dude, he broke the line and I grabbed his tail and pulled him up. Yeah. Oh my, that's crazy. I just got that all on film.
Oh, no,
I did too. Dude, that was the funniest, that was the craziest thing ever.
I thought you were messing with me that you had it too.
This giant Graham?
The giants are under the birds, man.
Can we push up?
Yeah, right up there.
Graham can do it, or I can do it.
Alright guys, well, we just had fish rolling on the surface. We're on a pretty big school right now. And most of us have gotten a cow out of it, and they're starting to fizzle out a little bit, but hopefully these birds get back up and we get back on them. Let's go. Probably good. I almost got a bird there.
We're marking heavily.
Yeah, good marks on bottom right now. Let this thing drop down. Oh yeah, good marks right under us right now. Big marks too. It said 20 feet a second because there's so many marks. There he is. Can't tell. Feels heavier, but he's coming up quick. I'm kind of horsing the shit out of it though.
Oh wow.
Yeah, good marks. We're getting in some really good marks now. Good fish too. There he is on the drop. Big fish.
Good one?
Yeah, feels like it. Oh, he's up already, never mind. He thumped it like a good one though. Good mark still, boys.
Ain't nowhere near 28, dude.
That's a big one. Yeah, I just got another one. Oh yeah, I got this. This thing's locked down too. I got an 85 incher. This is a giant, I think, unless he's foul hooked. He's a Giroud foul hooked fish, I think. He is circling. No, it's a giant. It's a giant. I got a big one over here. Maybe. Oh boy. That takes some marksmanship there to grab the tail. That's all the kayak fishing, dude. Dude, this is actually a pretty big one. He's coming up now. And this is a Saltex too. This has a lot of drag.
And it's tightened down all the way.
It's tightened pretty damn good. Big head shakes. Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Dude, that's a fatty too.
Yeah. That's a big fish. Oh my god. Stay away from that damn engine.
Yeah, don't do the thing.
Oh my.
That's a freaking monster.
Cow.
Yeah. Cowboys.
That drag sound. That's what you had the top water on, right?
Yeah. 40. Oh, he's big. That's a big fish, man. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh, that is a giant, guys. All right, guys, 46.5 incher, and get a release on her. That's a beauty. That's such a fat fish.
Off she goes.
Let's go, dude. All right, guys. Well, that was the last big striper of this trip, and we all had family parties. It was a holiday that afternoon, so we had to leave those fish biting. But in next week's video, we're going to be out on the kayak in the Chesapeake Bay doing the same thing. But you know me, I love kayak fishing, so it's an even cooler video. And as you see, we got palm trees behind me, so that means I'm back down in Florida now, guys, and we're gonna have some awesome content coming to you guys soon. So what you got to do is like and subscribe and turn on those post notifications, and we will see you next Wednesday at 5:30. Oh my god, no. I got him. Oh my, that's crazy.